For this last section, we're just going to look at how circles interact with graphing. Okay, so we're going to come up with an equation for circle action. I'm just going to give it to you, and then you're going to see how it works with different radiuses and different centers and things like that. So the equation of a circle with a radius of r and a center of h comma k. So this is just some point that tells us where our center is. This is how these things all relate together. So x is our variable, y is our other variable, and what we're going to do is we're going to take x and we're going to subtract the x coordinate of our center, and we're going to square that quantity. And then we're going to have y subtract the y coordinate of our center, square that, and that should equal the radius squared. Okay, this is kind of a play on our Pythagorean theorem almost. So what is the equation of a circle that has a radius of 7 and is centered at 3, -2? Well, what we need to do is take x minus the x coordinate of our center squared plus y minus the y coordinate, so that's negative, which makes it positive. And this should equal our radius squared, so 7 squared, which is 49. This would be the equation of this circle. Okay, and if we wanted to graph it, okay, what we're going to do is we'd go to the center, 1, 2, 3, down 2, there's our center, and then we're going to go 7 away in the 4 directions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we're just going to make a circle. Or we could use our compass tool and make it a little better. Okay, but that's how you would graph it. Okay, we have radiuses. Our radius is 7, and our center is at the center. Okay, so what's the equation of a circle that has this radius and is centered there? Same thing, x minus the x coordinate, so it's going to turn to plus y minus the y coordinate equals our radius squared. Okay, if they give you a picture, you can do the same thing. So our center, x minus 4 squared plus y minus -3, so that's plus, equals our radius squared. So here's the tricky part. We have to figure out what our radius is. But all that is a Pythagorean theorem here. This, we're going up 4. We're moving over a total of 5. So 4 squared plus 5 squared equals our radius squared. So we're not even going to have to square root because we want radius squared in our equation. So if I just add these up, I get 41, and that's the equation of the circle. Okay? And that should just about cover the last section.